vlogging the whole trip now.
Yeah, I remember before the internet. Amber and I have always said to Mom that she's so old that she was like around when the dinosaurs were, and she's the reason they're extinct because she ate them. And I hit one.
Security camera.
Yeah, people literally put them because like that's where they put them when they're not weird. Oh, they just leave them there.
I just do that. Yeah, they're more rest.
No, some people put them on their fucking elbow and then just leave it on their elbow. You're like, that's so good.
I've seen palm and rest. What do you think will be better for like attempting to take photos?
Good photos still later.
What do you make one?
I can't miss the countdown.
Should we go catch a city cat?
I was gonna say we should just get on City Cat.
It's pretty low key. I think there's probably more around in South Bank, eh?
It's like an ant carrying the dead one.
Yeah, it's not like Cock
The green one.
goes. Assuming any of you are awake, Happy New Year to the family.
I saw your
That was a convenient.
Yeah.
You wouldn't want to drive in 45 minutes, go back.
Can you imagine?
Can you imagine driving in, taking your own car, parking it out on the street during all of this rabble?
Wouldn't be me. Couldn't be me.
You know, an expensive sports car
Worth $50,000.
worth $55,000.
Oh my god. It's another $5,000.
I feel like I'm being insulted here.
Nah, not at all.
Nah.
Regan, we haven't seen you since last year.
Way.
Look at that. Go guys. Cheers. Hold it so we can get a photo.
I'm doing a video.
Like
Oh,
a video
okay.
game.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Three,
Thumbs
two,
up.
one.
See, we never know if they can video for it. She doesn't tell you what.
Wait.
It's so weird.
Yeah, that's not as alcoholic as I thought it would be. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Good.
But it's
I
mostly,
suppose it's like all the Baileys.
it's mostly liqueur, so it doesn't like have a strong aftertaste.
Just make sure you hit that notification bell and hit that subscribe button. Like, subscribe, leave a comment.
It all helps.